You've got a great idea. But then you open too many apps. Midjourney for images, Runway for video, Sora for cinematic stuff. Too many subscriptions. Every month, $20 here, $30 there. Still, you are not getting the desired result. Sound familiar? Yeah, that was me. I was ready to give up, and then a friend casually dropped the name of this platform. It is called Pixverse. And I'm going to show you exactly why. Let's dive in. I opened Pixverse and signed up. The model lineup stopped me dead. For image generation, you've got GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, Seedance, right there. The same model everyone's paying extra for elsewhere. And for video, Pixverse V6, Seedance 2.0, Happy Horse 1.0, Kling. All of them. One subscription. I honestly just sat there like, wait, is this real? I'm going to create a full luxury perfume ad from scratch. No studio, no Photoshop. Just prompts and Pixverse. First, I need a product image. Type prompt. A luxury perfume bottle labeled Nova on a dark reflective surface. A premium brand. I'm going to use the GPT Image 2 model inside Pixverse. Choose the quality as high. Resolution as 2K and aspect ratio as 16:9. Beside this, you get video, template, transition, modify, and more options. We will see these later. Okay, come back to the Image tab and hit Generate. After some time, look at that. That is a professional luxury product photo. Done in seconds. That would cost hundreds of dollars to shoot in a real studio. You can edit it, make a video, or use it as a reference. Now, this is where it gets really exciting. Switch to the video section, upload image, now type the prompt. Nova bottle golden mist slowly drifting slow cinematic rotation. Choose the resolution as 1080p and duration as 8 seconds. Turn on the audio and multi-shot. Interestingly, you can check their template section as your inspiration. I am skipping it right now. Now select the video model Seedance 2.0 Pro Standard. Hit Generate. Watch this on other platforms. VPN. Top-tier subscription. 1 hour wait. Just for one Seedance 2.0 generation. On Pixverse? 0Q. That alone sold me. Look at this. The dramatic lighting, the cinematic motion, and that final touch, literally. I didn't direct any of that. One prompt, but let me push it even further with the Modify feature. Click Modify. Add soft floating gold particles. Choose the resolution as 720p. Here Pixverse V5 is selected. Click on Generate. See that difference? That extra shimmer, and I'm still inside the same platform. I haven't opened a single other app. And the final touch, a voiceover. One click. Here you can upload audio or can enter lines. I am writing a line. Choose your voice artist. Turn on original audio and hit Create. That's it.
Nova, where presence meets power.
That is a complete professional luxury perfume ad under 5 minutes. On one platform. Using Seedance 2.0. Pixverse has the lowest prices for these models anywhere right now. There's one more model I have to show you. It's called Happy Horse 1.0. It generates audio and video at the same time. In one pass. Choose the model Happy Horse 1.0. Use this prompt. Cinematic street food ad. A chef in a busy market tosses noodles. I'm hitting Generate, and watch how fast this comes back under 1 minute. Did you see that? The chef, the flame, the steam, and the ambient market sounds generated automatically. That's native audio generation. That's what makes Happy Horse different. So between Seedance 2.0 and Happy Horse 1.0, you're getting two of the most powerful AI video models in the world on one platform for less than you'd pay for one single tool anywhere else. Before Pixverse, I was paying for multiple platforms separately. After Pixverse, one platform, all the same models, one price. And honestly, having everything in one place has made my entire workflow so much faster and cleaner. I'm producing more, spending less, and the quality has never been better. So if you've been feeling the pain of overpaying for AI tools, I genuinely think you should check Pixverse out. The link is in my bio. Go try it for yourself. See the models, see the pricing, and honestly, just experience what it feels like to use Seedance 2.0 with zero waiting in line. I think you're going to be pretty surprised. Drop a comment which tool has been draining your wallet the most. If this was helpful, drop a like. Hit subscribe for more AI content like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.